Hello everyone, this is Andy from FlipPop. Welcome back to my channel. This coffee table belongs to the reception of my building. I can't stand how yellow it is, so I offered to refinish it for free. Milo doesn't like it either. As you can see, there are some white spots caused by hot food delivery. The finish is a thick layer of lacquer. The top has many scratches. The top is made of 4 pine slats and a laminate board in the middle. The veneer is pine as well. Look at those swirl marks. I guess no one in this condo has ever noticed that. But I have. This is going to be my community gift.
Who's that wet boy? Who's that wet boy? Oh, that wet boy, that wet boy. I will brush you later, although you don't like it, but I will brush you later. Oh, that wet boy, that wet boy.
Come with me to get rid of the yellow hue.
You.
This table was originally a full-fledged table whose legs were cut in order to make it adequate for a building reception, so it is quite big. I bought this eco-friendly indoor-safe lemon-scented stripper. It smelled delicious, and it said it was specially designed to get rid of varnishes. Well, I think it was too eco-friendly because it didn't work. I mean, look at that. It stripped a thin layer. Well, okay, let me be fair. It actually got rid of the first layer of lacquer. I mean, it should work if your piece has only one coat of top coat. But this piece has many layers. If I had bought a couple of gallons and had time to apply, wait and scrape, it may be worth the eco properties, although you may spend a fortune. After rinsing it with water, I felt it sticky to the touch, so I removed the excess with some lacquer thinner. I should have done this from the beginning. I started sanding with 120 grit. Summer is coming to this part of the world, and it was quite hot. Well, what can I say? Sanding is so satisfying. There was a piece missing in one of the legs. Bando, as always, was my savior. If you need further explanation on how to use it, leave me a message and I'll be glad to help. Some people have told me they are worried about my floors. But they are plastic. They look fantastic with some floor products and, good cleaning. So let them be like this for a while. If I ever move from here, I'll install hardwood floors for the next owner. Meanwhile, I can relax. I'm going to paint the base and the skirt of the table. I guess only the cleaning lady will notice it. and maybe some neighbors. Dirt will not be noticeable, and the legs and the top will shine. I'll be using black chalk paint. I want to have a satin base and a semi-gloss top. No one will notice, but I will. I love my condo. It is so nice and comfortable. However, most of my neighbors are always asking for more and more benefits, and of course, they never do anything for the building. I don't want to be like them. This table needed some TLC. If you have followed this video and liked this content, consider liking and subscribing. Watching this full video and liking it helps me a lot with the algorithm. And you can always help me by clicking the links in the description below. You can consider becoming a member of my channel. Whenever I'm absent from this platform, I always keep contact with my members, giving them updates and posts. I had to sand indoors. Thank goodness my vacuum cleaner is so good. I custom mixed some stains. The dark walnut, however, was full of lumps. I have stained with lumps before, and they usually look so good. But this wood may have been treated before, and it looked blotchy. To camouflage the blotchiness, I used some toner. Of course, none of my neighbors are going to notice that, but anyway. Here it is, less blotchy. It'll fade when the top coat is applied. Second coat of paint. Semi-gloss poly for the top. And satin poly for the base. And I gave 3 coats to the base and 5 coats to the top for extra protection. Do you remember that yellow coffee table? Here it is in the reception, the night I finished it. And here it is the following day. No one has noticed it, only the staff of the building will love it. Of course, I did it for my building, and I don't want any recognition because I mainly did it for myself. I hope you liked today's flip. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.